Oh, come.
Hi.
Happy birthday, Rinku.
Thank you, Mama, Mummy. And yes, what gift have you got for me?
Take this.
So nice gift. What is this, Mama?
Vishwa Bharati Girls International School.
Vishwa Bharati Girls International School? Which is this school, Mama?
Means a school without stress and a school without bag.
Oh, how is that possible?
Every class is equipped with the facility of AC and Wi-Fi system, interactive board with high technology teaching, which will be incorporated with the softwares of all subjects. So it's possible to have teaching without bags and burden.
Once get the admission in this school, is there need to take any private extra classes?
No, not at all. Because all students from class 1 to 12 will be doing the homework in the classroom only. That too in the presence of respective subject teacher. So there is no need of any separate tuitions after going home. From nursery to class 4, every period is of 30 minutes, which includes 15 minutes of homework. From standard 5th to 10th, there is a period of 60 minutes, which includes 40 minutes of teaching and 20 minutes of homework, which will be supported by the respective subject teacher during the class itself. In standard 11th and 12th, in science and commerce stream, every class will be of 1.5 hours duration, in which 1 hour will be allotted for teaching and the rest 30 minutes for homework, which will have to be done in the same class. Weekly test will be conducted in the same duration of a particular class. Homework worksheet and weekly test worksheet will be filed and shown to the parents in monthly meetings at the end of each month. For preschool children, there is a toy room and facilities like skating too. There are also highly advanced laboratories for physics, chemistry and biology. Apart from all this, there is NCC training, lawn tennis, hockey, football, volleyball, cricket ground and basketball court. There is an exclusive swimming pool for preschool to class 4 students. Curricular activities during whole year like cultural activities, picnics, tours and a tour to Nature Training Institute, and it will also have activities in social services. Talented and successful students will be honored by various prizes. From standard 5 to 12, school will be of 9 hours from Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday will be holiday. From preschooling to standard 4, school will be for 6 hours from Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday will be holiday.
Oh wow, unbelievable. What are you talking about?
Yeah, in every class there will be a 2-seater bench and a personal drawer for every student. There is a facility of school bus services within an area of 30 kilometers for students. Apart from this, we have RO plant for safe drinking water. All the school staff will be ladies only. And yeah, in every school bus there will be GPRS system which will help us to track the bus.
Any other activities?
Many activities in the school like music, dance, drama corner, art culture, craft room, art gallery, swimming pool, language lab, computer lab, multimedia theatre, amphitheatre, gymnastics, meditation, yoga hall, snooker hall, table tennis room, Yagnashala and Saraswati temple.
Oh, very good, Papa. Rinku got the best school.
And you too, Julie. There is best hostel for you.
But will I be happy staying in hostel?
Why not? In the hostel, there is a facility of AC as well as non-AC room. There will be only 4 students staying in one room. The rooms are well furnished with personal bed, table tools, lock and also has an attached washroom with hot and cold water facilities. Pure vegetarian nutritious Gujarati food is served twice and breakfast is served thrice to make you feel like home. And yes, on Saturdays and Sundays, they'll be off in hostels, so parents can take their daughters home.
Wow, superb facilities.
Yes, of course. Our daughter will get an opportunity to learn recipes of Kathiawadi, Punjabi, Chinese and continental food in kitchen workshop along with academics.
Good. But how did you get this all information?
Because we have recently got our daughter's admission in Vishwa Bharati Girls International School.
And main thing is that Mr. Praveen Bhai Upadhyay, a distinguished educationalist, is managing trustee here, who has won NRD Foundation Best Teacher Award 2009 in London and has been successful in many new experiments related to education in Surat. Oh, very nice. We will get our daughter's admission today.
Vishwa Bharati Girls International School, where you don't study just for the sake of it, but love to study. And we have such a hostel where you would love to stay rather than being compelled to stay, just at the distance of 20 minutes from Surat. Vishwa Bharati Girls International School, managed by Madhav Education Trust, Post Morthana, Simadi Kosmadi Road, Taluka Kamrej, District Surat. Office address 456 4th floor, Rise-on Plaza, Sarthana Jakatnaka, Surat. Contact 94268 66325 and 76220 20922.
Namaskar, dear parents. I warmly welcome you to all at my Surat District's first Girls International School, Vishwa Bharati Girls International School, Morthana, a school of genius, a school for genius. Thank you.